Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to reset your password. For that, just go and open your app, and then you'll get three options to log in: Google, Apple and email address, or you can also try with phone. And if you have logged in with your Google and Apple, you just need to go to your, if in case you are using your Apple ID, just go and open your setting and then tap on your name. There you will see security and sign in option, and from here you can reset your Apple password, and that will reset your if you have logged in with your Apple. But if you are using your Google, just go and open your Google app, anything, it could be Google, Gmail, Drive or anything, and then tap on your profile icon, then tap on manage your account, and there you will see Google password. Just tap on that and you can reset your password following the prompts. And if you're using your email address, just enter your email address, and when it asks you to enter your password, just tap on forgot password option, and after doing that you'll get verification code, and when you enter that you'll get, and when you enter your verification code, you'll get option to reset your password, and that is how you can reset your password. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.